Good morning, children. Welcome to today's class. I hope you all are ready with your maths book, and at the same time, I hope that you have completed your previous class notes also. Okay, if not, kindly complete it. Okay, students. Now, get ready with your maths book. Kindly open. Today, we are going to start a new chapter. Okay, so kindly open page number 6, and the new chapter which we are going to start today is chapter 2, Roman numerals. Okay, pay attention. I am reading on page number 6. Numerals are used to represent numbers. We usually use the numerals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The method of writing all numbers using 10 numerals started in India. Okay, it was later spread around the world by the Arabs. So these numerals are often called the Hindu-Arabic numerals. Okay, students, this please underline it. The Romans used, this you have to keep in mind, the Roman used 7 letters as numerals, and this table, okay, there are some values given for Roman numeral. This you have to keep in mind. Okay, as you can see here, some Roman numerals are given there and their values are also given. As for I, it's 1, for V, it's 5, X, 10, L, 50, C, 100, D, 500, M, 1000. Okay, so these are the Roman numerals with their value. This table you have to, students, keep in mind. Now, writing numbers using Roman numerals. So, here some rules are given there. Okay, let's see the rules one by one. The numerals I, X, C and M, that is the value of I 1, X 10, C 100, M 1000 are special. Only they can be placed together, repeated in a row, and only they can be subtracted. Okay, means only this Roman numerals I, X, C and M, only they can be placed together and only they can be subtracted. Okay, so this was our rule number 1. Let's move to rule number 2. I, X, C and M can be repeated in a row up to 3 times to form large numbers. Okay, to form a large numbers, the values of the repeated numerals get added. Okay, let's do this. Okay, now it's given there 2i. Okay, now value of 1i, what's the value of 1i? It's 1. So 1, again 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So the value of this Roman numeral is 2. If it's 3i, that means 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. That means the value of this Roman numeral is 3. X, it's triple X. Okay, so value of 1x, it's 10. So 10, 10, 10 plus 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, it's 30. That means the value of this Roman numeral is 30. Okay, C, C. Now value of 1C, it's 100. So 100. Value of next C will be also 100. So 100 plus 100, it's 200. That means the value of this Roman numeral is 200. So this was your rule number 2. Now let's move to rule number 3. A smaller number gets added to the greater numeral on its left. Okay. Now here it's given V and I. Now students, what's the value of V? As you can see in the table, the value of V is 5. So why 5? What's the value of this I? It's 1. Now what you have to do? The smaller number gets added to the greater number on its left. So 1 plus 5, it's 6. So value of this Roman numeral is 6. 5, I 1, this I also 1. Plus, put the plus sign. Now this smaller number gets added to the greater number on its left. That means 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 5, it's 7. So value of this Roman numeral is 7. Okay. X, x v. Okay, now value of x 10, one more x 10, value of v 5. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 5, that is 25. That means the value of this Roman numeral is 25. L x, value of L, it's 50. 50 x is 10. So 50 plus 10, it's 60. Okay, so the value of this Roman numeral is 60. So this is your rule number 3. Let's move to next rule. Here comes rule number 4. Okay. Smaller number gets subtracted from the greater number on its right. Okay. Now here comes the next rule. Value of I, here it's 1. Value of V, it's 5. Now what you have to do? The smaller number gets subtracted. Okay, now the smaller number gets subtracted from the number on its right, that is 5. So 1 minus 5 equal to 4. So the value of this is 4. XL, value of x is 10, value of L is 50. 10 minus 50, it's 40. So value of this Roman numeral is 40. Now here comes the rule number 5. Okay. A smaller numeral between two greater number gets subtracted from the number on its right. Okay. Now let's do x. Here the value of x is 10. Value of I 1. Value of v 5. Now 10 plus 1 minus 5. Okay. Now what you have to do? This smaller number gets subtracted from the number on its right, that is 5. That means 1 minus 5, it's 4. So 10 plus 4 equal to 14. That means the value of this number is 14. Next is xix. So value of x 10, I again 1, again x. So 10 plus 1, 1 minus 10. This smaller number will be subtracted from the number on its right, that is 10. So 1 minus 10, it's 9. 10 plus 9, it's 19. So the value for this Roman numeral is 19. So friends, in this way, these 5 rules you have to understand. Okay, now here table is given there. 1 to 15 Roman numerals. This you have to learn, students. Okay, this table you have to learn. From 1 to 50, all the Roman numerals with their values given there. So you have to go through this table and you have to learn the. Now here comes exercise 2A. Okay, so this you have to fill by looking the table which is given here upside on page number 7. Okay, this see the value and fill from the given table. Okay, as it's given here, see the Roman numeral is given there. Find out its value from the table and write down the value. This also you can do with the help of the given table of numbers 1 to 15 Roman numerals. So this exercise 1 and 2 you can do from the table. Now turn the page. See, here it's given 26. So find out the Roman numeral here, 26. So write down here 30. It's 30 is given there. So take from there and note down here. For this you have to learn this table. Now here comes fill in the blanks. Okay. Question number 3, fill in the blanks. Now here you have to put the sign of greater or less than. Let's do the first one. First one, it's given there. Okay. Now let's find out the value first. It's 8, it's 7. So out of 8 and 7, which is the greater number? 8. So put the sign here. Next B is, let's find out the value. It's 11 and it's 9. Okay, so 11, 9, which is the greater? 11. So put the sign on the greater number sign. C. Let's find out the value first. It's 16. It's 14. So out of 16 and 14, which is greater? 16. So put the fish mouth open on 16 side. Okay, so in this way, let's do one more. Let's do G. It's X. It's L. The value of X, as you can see here, the value of X is 10 and L is 50. So 10 and 50. So out of 10 and 50, which is greater? 50. So put the fish mouth open on L side. Okay. E, triple X and XL. So triple X, that means 30 and this is 40. So out of 30 and 40, which is greater? 40. So put the fish mouth open on XL side. So in this way you have to do question number 3 and 4. You have to put greater, less or equal sound. Now here comes write in ascending order. Okay. So let's do one. A, triple X, double X, X, L, C and XL. Okay. Now to make it more easy, let's put the value first. Okay. This is 30, 20, 10, L, 50, C, it's 100, XL, it's 40. Okay. L, it's 50 now. Let's see one more time. Yes, L 50. XL 40. Let's see in the table. XL. Yes, XL 40. Okay, to make it more easy, we can do in this way. Okay. Now we have to arrange in ascending order. That means small to big. So which is the smallest out of the given number? It's 10. That means Roman numeral X. Then double X. Then it's triple X. Okay. Then it's 40. That means XL. Then 50. That means L. Then 100. That means C. So in this way you have to do. To make it more easy, you can write the value and then you can arrange. Okay. Let's do question number 6. Let's do the A. X, triple X, double X, 1X, then and then. Okay, to make it more easy, what we will do? Let's put the value first. Okay, it's 12, it's 13, it's 29, it's 19, it's 9 and it's 11. Okay, now this we have to arrange in descending order. That means from big to small. Descending means big to small. So out of this given number, which is the biggest number here? 29. So the value of 29 in Roman numeral is this. So this will be the first number. After this, 19. After 19, 13. After 13, it's 12. After 12, it's 11. After 11, it's 9. Okay. So in this way, you have to do this. 13, then 12, then 11, and 9. Okay. So to make it more easy, as I told, put the value first so you can quickly get the answer. Then you can easily arrange them. Now, here comes the next one. Question number 7. Write the answers. Write the answers in Roman numerals. Okay. Let's do. It's given there 8 into 4. 8 into 4. 8 into 4, students, if you know the table, quickly you will get the answer. 8 into 4 is 32. Now you have to write down the 32 in Roman numeral. Okay, so in Roman numeral, what will be the answer? This is the answer in Roman numeral. For 30, 3x you will need, and for 2, 2i. Okay, let's do one more. 2 into 9, that is 9 to the 18. So this is the answer. Okay, 81 divide 9, it's 9. If you will divide 81 by 9, the answer you will get 9. So the Roman numeral for 9 is this. So this is your answer. 59 minus 19. When you will subtract 19 from 59, you will get answer 40, and the Roman numeral for 40 is XL. Okay, 12 plus 12, it's 24. In Roman numeral, 24. Okay, so in this way you have to do the question number 7. Okay, students. Question number 5 and 6, to make it easy, as I told, first take out the value, then you can easily arrange them in ascending or descending order. So student, with this your chapter 2 is over. It was a very easy and interesting chapter. Students, it will be more easy if you will learn these two tables, okay, with their values, the Roman numerals with their values. You will learn these two tables and the rules which I have taught in today's class. It will be helpful for you, okay. And the notes I will provide you. This all you have to do in your book itself. Okay, that's all for today's class. Thank you.